welcome back. My name is Muthoni. In case you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Muthoni and I'm in this very beautiful and very unique Airbnb in Narumoru. Narumoru from Nairobi. You'll be on your way to Nanyuki. It's just about 20 kilometers from Nanyuki. It takes at most 20 minutes, and yeah, this is where we've been spending our Easter weekend with family. And let me just reverse the camera so that you see the beauty of this place. It's a huge place, very green, super green. And you see that house, it's a 4-bedroom house, so it's huge enough to accommodate a very big family. And there's also some other house in this same property, so you'll have enough time and space. If you have children, you can see all this space. I'm walking this way towards the river and there's so much space. Honestly, I think I should just do a whole video showing you this whole space, because it's huge, and I think I need a drone to show this whole property. As you can see, yeah, there's that. You see how beautiful this place is. There's that. So from that direction, let me show you. From there where I'm pointing, you'll see Mt.Kenya in the morning. But now, since it's a rainy season, after some time the place gets cloudy and the mountain is hidden. But when the sky is clear, you'll see a whole mountain there. And this is the river. I hope this phone can capture the sound properly, because there is a river right there. And we had breakfast set here at the riverside and it was magical. I hope they set it up tomorrow morning so that I show you the whole place and how breakfast at the riverside is being done. It's a new place, and this is a fireplace. Though this place is kind of cold and chilly in the evening, I don't know. I think it's because we came here during the rainy season, but I think it's still practical to come here down and have the fire lit at the fireplace. So yeah, it's a beautiful place, and you've seen there's a river down there. You can have a meal here. You have chairs. There are chairs there you can carry and come have a good place at this fireplace. So it's definitely something worth your money. It's definitely a place worth your money, and there is ample space. There's a whole driveway. I hope I'll be able to capture all that. So this is a very raw video, because I didn't want to have like an overly edited video. I just wanted to have a video that is showing the raw image of this place, because it's quite beautiful and it's very affordable. So I hope this is a nice place, and please let me know if you want me to show the house, the interior of the house, because I can do a proper house tour. I'm just showing the property for now because it's just a random vlog. So yeah, let me know. So from this area, let me take you up and show you where the parking is, because yeah, there are vehicles there behind me, but not where the parking area is. We were a huge number of guests, so there's that parking right there. There's a shed there. Then this way I'm headed to the gate, and this whole place, this whole side, bottom side, is the river. Yeah, this is the way I'm avoiding. That's the parking. That's the parking. I just didn't want to catch the. That's the parking. I don't want to catch the number plates. So there's a whole driveway. I can't even get myself to the gate. I know I can, but on this video it's going to be too long. So that way up is a driveway, and these are the, yeah, that's neighbors. And this is another way to, this property has another house. There's a brick house there. Some of my relatives, we were a huge family, it's the extended family, so some of my relatives slept in a brick house towards that direction. Of course, I'll take you on a house tour if you want me to, but let me just do a quick tour of this place as I move towards the gate. So imagine when you get to this place, when you take this Airbnb, you'll have this whole place to yourself. It's far, I'm trying to get there fast, but can you see that driveway? Can you see the driveway? Of course, it's a new place, and yeah, this place, these trees have not been here for quite some time. These trees have not been here for a long time, so they're still growing. And that's the driveway. Yeah, that's the driveway. That's the gate. It's still far, and yeah, that's the driveway. And a 360, no, 180 to down there. So yeah, that's where I'm headed. This is the view from my room. Such a beautiful sight, and obviously there's so much to be seen. There's also this other side. That's my tripod I was shooting during the day. So yeah, that's the aerial view. Yep. December holiday, I think you'll find more of these. Last year this place was so beautiful because of the jacaranda, but it's still way beautiful. Yeah, I can't get enough of this place. I'm putting on someone's sweater because as much as this, it's quite cold, and as much as the sun is up, I still don't have the warmth I require to survive. It's the next morning, and I hope you like this place. I hope you'll come and experience all this, and I hope to see you on my next video. Please carry your gumboots if you're coming to this place. It's quite if you're coming to this place on a rainy season, carry your gumboots, or just carry shoes that you're comfortable moving around. Of course, there is no mud around the house, but you'll definitely want to move around. It's such a huge place to not experience every part of this property. So carry your gumboots, carry warm clothes. Make sure you ask the manager to set a meal at the riverside if you like it. Yeah, it's going to be an amazing experience, and there's also a fireplace close to the river. Please make sure you ask for such. They're very kind, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you on my next video.